The project, which protects 80 homes and 39 business properties from flooding, was jointly funded by the Welsh Government and Caernarfon. At the heart of the scheme is the Cadnant River, which flows under the feet of the people of Caernarfon. 8 centuries ago, this river was the industrial heart of Edward I's royal borough. Over the centuries, the town's infrastructure was shaped by the river. Today, the river still influences the town in completely different ways by protecting Caernarfon from floods. Before the river begins its dark journey under the streets, the first challenge awaits it, the trash screen. This screen prevents rubbish from blocking the river which flows under the streets of Caernarfon to Victoria Dock where it meets the Menai Strait. The new screen was built by GT Davies Contractors and designed by YGC, part of Caernarfon. It is now much less likely to block and cause flooding. Here, the river continues its journey through the hidden culverts of Caernarfon that many never see. These are clips from inside the culverts that have never been made public until now. When the car park was built in 1996, the river was completely hidden under layers of concrete. In the past, there was a water mill near Bridge Street, not far from the entrance to Castle Square. The Cadnant River flows quietly beneath some of the town's busiest shops, restaurants and pubs. In 1868, the Cadnant River was channeled into a culvert at Victoria Dock by the Caernarfon Harbour Trust. Here, the river's journey ends and the river meets its final destination, the Menai Strait.